Hey guys, welcome back to TechTech channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can actually install IntelliJ IDE Community Edition for your Java programming. This is the great software for beginners to learn Java and I highly suggest you to use it. I actually use Visual Studio Code, but it's not recommended for any beginners to start with, okay? I highly recommend you to start with IntelliJ IDE because it's a very great IDE and actually it already have the necessary thing that you need, okay? Make sure you already have Java environment downloaded. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Open any browser and search for IntelliJ IDE. Now open the website to actually download this software, okay? There's a two software that IntelliJ provide, Ultimate and Community Edition. Community Edition is free and I highly suggest for any beginners to learn Java, just download Community Edition because you don't need the fancy stuff, okay? Just click on downloading. You can download it in .exe file or you can download it in .zip file, okay? I have already downloaded it, so I am not going to download it, okay? You can actually then install this software. That's just like you usually install any software on your computer, okay? Just follow the instruction and install it. After that, installing that, you need to click on the software like I'm doing. Just open the IntelliJ IDE. When you click on Java and you can see Project SDK, you don't need to click on any of these option Groovy or Kotlin because we don't need to work on them because we are just going to create simple Java files. So just don't click on it. Just click on the next button. After clicking on next button, click on create project from web templates and select the command line app, okay? Because we're going to work our Java on command line, okay? After that, you need to give your project name, just like I'm gonna give it a name like first project. You can give it any name that you like, okay? It will automatically change your project location. You don't need to worry about it. But you're also going to see a base package down there. And this base package should be unique if you want to actually work on Java files, okay? This base package should be unique and you can write down your company names or your blogger's name or whatever, okay? Just make sure it's unique name, okay? After completing it, you just need to click on finish, okay? For the first time, IntelliJ will take some time to actually process and it needs internet connection to actually work, okay? So make sure you have your Wi-Fi on or any kind of internet connection to your PC, okay? It will take some process. After that, you will see a file name main.java, okay? You can see here some codes, the typical Java code that every Java developers are familiar with. If you are a beginner and you want to actually type on in this IDE, just write down SOUT and hit enter and you will see the system.out.println command has already been written here. You can now type in hello world and you can run it by pressing shift plus F10 on your Windows computer, okay? It will run and you will see the command line hello world. Congratulations, you have created your first Java program. I know it's not a big program, but every program starts with hello world, okay? So have some faith, okay? If you like this video, then follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And if you want to share it with your friends to help with their project, just share it with them. It will help with the YouTube algorithm and like this video and subscribe it. I will like if you guys do that. I will see you later, coders. Till then, take care and bye-bye.